In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images in Bluebeam. If you're looking to enhance your Bluebeam projects with visual elements, this process is straightforward and can be easily mastered. Let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to Bluebeam Cloud. This web-based platform is where you'll manage your Bluebeam documents and projects. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Bluebeam Cloud website. Once you're there, you'll see a login page. It's time to enter your email address. Simply type in the email that you use for your Bluebeam account into the appropriate field. Once you've entered your email, go ahead and click on the next button to proceed to the password entry stage. Now that you are at the password screen, carefully type in your password. Remember to double check for any typos, as passwords are case sensitive. After you've ensured the accuracy of your entry, click on the Sign In button. Congratulations, you're now logged into your Bluebeam Cloud account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Bluebeam Cloud homepage. From here, locate the Studio Sessions option, typically found in the main menu or navigation panel. Click on it to access your available studio sessions. If you're working on multiple projects, you'll see a list of your current sessions. Next, find and click on the specific project you wish to work on. This will direct you to the project workspace where you can begin adding images. Pay attention to the left side panel where you'll see various tools and options that Bluebeam provides. Look for the Image button and click on it. This button is your gateway to uploading images into your project. Now that you're in the Image Upload section, you have a couple of options. You can either click to upload your image or take advantage of the drag and drop feature. If you choose the latter, simply select the image file on your computer and drag it into your Bluebeam workspace. This intuitive feature makes it easy to place images exactly where you want them within your project. By following these steps, you've successfully uploaded an image into Bluebeam. This enhancement not only enriches your project visually, but can also be crucial for conveying detailed information and improving overall communication. Whether you're using images for diagrams, site plans, or just to add a touch of professionalism, this simple process will no doubt be an asset to your Bluebeam experience. That wraps up our tutorial on adding images in Bluebeam. We hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now ready to enhance your projects. Thank you for joining us today, and be sure to check back for more helpful tutorials on maximizing your productivity with Bluebeam.